Here's how to deactivate your Instagram account in 2026. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer. Now let's go through the process of deactivating it. To do that, we need to get to your settings. So tap on the profile button at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now within your settings, for whatever reason, it's acting a little glitchy here in 2026. Sometimes it shows you the option to delete it, and sometimes you need to search for that deleting button. I'll show you both options. The first option is to tap on Account Center here and look for Personal Details towards the bottom. If you see Personal Details, you can go ahead and tap on it. If you don't see that, however, we can just tap on Back and we can just search for deactivation, and you can see there it is. Now, after we've done that, I'll show you how it works. Let's tap on Instagram here. And then of course, deactivation, which is temporary, and hit continue. Now keep in mind the default will be that they'll reactivate it after 7 days. Let's make sure that is not the case. So scroll down, tap on continue here, and then we'll enter in the password. I'll just autofill my password real quick and hit continue. Now from here, we just need to say whatever we want here, doesn't really matter. And now at the very bottom, you can see it says automatically reactivate after 7 days. But we don't want to do that. Let's switch this to don't reactivate automatically and then hit continue. Now on this page, you can choose to deactivate your account. Keep in mind, you can always get it back just by logging back into your Instagram account at any point.